Amrita Virtual Interactive E-Learning World, or AVU, is an e-learning platform that aims at connecting all universities and colleges across the country. With the help of AVU, students will get to listen to lectures of specialists in any field from any place, anytime in any subject. Do you know what the pressing issue of higher education in India is today? It's the shortage of highly qualified teachers. And AVU will address this shortage very effectively. India has seen a remarkable upswing in education standards. But we still do not have a consistent spread of qualified teachers, and we've still not been able to provide education to all. We are in dire need of a thoughtful and technological intervention that will be implemented effectively to ensure education seeps into every pore of this country. Don't you think every student has a right to learn from the best, and being deprived of that right due to lack of qualified teachers is unfair? AVU has been developed to bridge this gap of quality education imparted in our country. And guess what? It comes to you absolutely free of cost. Students in institutions anywhere in the country will get to attend lectures of expert teachers from any other part of the country. Now, you don't have to worry about subjects which lack resources in your college. A big thanks to MHRD and IIT Bombay for helping AVU achieve its purpose to a great extent. Without the immense support of MHRD and IIT Bombay, AVU wouldn't have achieved its purpose this soon. The spectacular reach that AVU has now is greatly due to the workshops that IIT Bombay conducts regularly to train teachers across the country. AVU is not far from creating a revolution in the education system of India.
I visited 2-3 colleges. For example, I was in Periyar Maniammai University in Tanjavur. I also visited SRM University in the outskirts of Chennai, and the audio-video reception was exceedingly good.
It definitely creates an alternative to people who cannot get to good teachers, who do not have good facilities in their colleges, and who want to learn more than what is actually taught to them. And AVU, I think, definitely offers an excellent alternative to face-to-face teaching. It will not replace it, but it is definitely I think, the best alternative that we have right now.
You can't expect a traditional kind of tutorial setup in AVU classroom. AVU has no walls, desks, benches or chalks. Here, teachers and students, though separated by geographical locations, join and unite in any classroom. AVU provides a whiteboard that aids in written explanation of lectures and a hand raise option that allows students to ask doubts live. AVU also aids in recording lectures for future references. Above all, AVU also provides a room for teachers to upload their lecture notes and also provides a platform for students to discuss their doubts after the live class. That's not it. AVU's contribution to education was acknowledged at World Education Summit 2011 recently as the best innovation in open and distance learning. AVU had already proven its caliber by being used by IIT as an aid to train almost 3,500 teachers across the country. This is a baby step, but a very bold one towards building excellence amongst the teaching community.
And since AVU now is a tool which can be freely used by any educational attempt in the country, my dream would be that there should be at least 20,000 user entities of AVU at the organizational level, not just engineering colleges but other colleges, schools and so on, and there could be at least 1 lakh or more participating students and teachers who should benefit from this.
We are looking at tuition or coaching classes also. So we are thinking that many universities and many colleges can come together for this project. There are so many people in India that don't continue their studies because they don't get help at the right time. Because they are weak in a certain subject, they may fail, or they cannot afford tuition. Not everybody can afford tuition in India. So where do these people go? They have nowhere to go to. So for them, along with the National Mission on Education through ICT, the government, through the IITs, through Amrita, all of us are coming together to provide this tuition to the students of India.
I never thought e-learning would be as effective as a traditional classroom. It's like with AView, e-learning has taken a new definition. AView is a great software every college should use.
AView software is really too good and user-friendly. It's a great attempt and also very useful for our team.
MHRD and the AView team are working together ardently towards a cause that's going to be a welcome aid for the current Indian education scenario. AView most definitely will be a revelation.